Okay guys, something a little bit different in this video. We are going to do some unboxing of some parts I brought to go on Harold. I've got a few of them arrived from AliExpress. They've not all come together. So we're only going to unbox a few now. Then when the next ones come, I will unbox them as well. But for you, you'll see them all together. So I believe this is going to be the TPMS tyre sensor thingamajiggy. I'll open this up. What we'll also do as well, once they've all arrived and I've opened them all, we will do a separate video of them being installed onto the bike. There you go, tyre pressure monitoring system. Instructions, rear wheel, front wheel, go in there, spanner and some lock washers, charging cable, or fancy charging cable, not a standard USB-C or anything, and the device. Okay, so 1/4 inch threaded mount. Let's see if there's any charge in it. We can turn it on. Oh yes. Yeah. We've also ordered an accessory bar from AliExpress to go on the bike, so this will go on that. And I'll probably move my phone mount as well. Bar. Time. So I'll have to look at the instructions. Okay, got time, date and all that on there. Temperature, pressure. So we need to look at the instructions to see how that all goes together. It's got a little bit of weight to it actually. I'm supposed to be really cheap and tacky and plasticky, but that's not too bad. Thankfully we've got some mountain hardware. There we go. Oh yeah, there's the mountain bit there. So we've got a double bit there. So we've got that there to block it into the bar. And then that to open it. So we've got some big bars, small bars. That's pretty good design actually, I like that. And it comes over, and goes into place like that. Depends how bulky this mount is. I may make my own mount. With my printer and put that in there on the outside. So there you go. And that was £13 roughly. Right, the next item I've got, I believe, are some daylight riding lights with the wiring loom, but without the relay because I've got an accessory box on there. Ring-ong-ing. Front headlight auxiliary lights. LED auxiliary light for motorcycle. this is what we have. Front shields, lights, wire. Again, these are quite heavy. I was expecting them to be pretty light. Yeah. I have, I think, somewhere up here. There we go. Little battery, 7-volt battery, just to see if these will work. These may or may not work with 7 volts. Ah, yes, they do. There we go. That is with 7 volts. Yeah. So, I reckon with 12 volts, it's going to be pretty good. Brackets for them. Mounting hardware, just stainless. And the wiring loom. I've also got, what I was from AliExpress previously, another switch which I like a little bit nicer. It's a push button latching switch which lights up green, so that will look quite nice. So we'll swap that switch out for my switch. So yeah, so we've got one of those is going to be for the LED lights, one of those is ground. So yeah, these go to the lights apparently. Give you the loom. There's no plug on that part of the light. There we go. So there's make your own loom bit there. So okay, so you can fit that onto your own wiring. All that one there makes sense now. So that's them. What's arrived today are my adventure mirrors. So these are basically adventure mirrors on a ball joint. These were about £13 plus £6 delivery, or £19 for free delivery. Which came to just under £20 for these. The lights were £30 for the set that I got, or just under £30, so I didn't go for the relay. I have to say, they're packaged quite well. They arrived in good condition, they've not squished or broken the box. Yeah, there we go. So we have adventure mirrors. I'm not sure if these are both got the same thread on them, where if one of these is left-handed thread. Might have to change it. We will see. Yeah, I did recently replace both mirrors on the Himalayan because so when it got nicked, they stole one and the other one was bent. Yeah, see how they go. They're on extended as well. My mirror's on the bike, so these will sit quite nice. So yeah, okay, so we've got the next parcel. I think this is the tool bag and my photography light come through together. So let's open it up. Yeah, tool bag and my photography light. Now replacing this light because this was in my bike when it got stolen. So this and my compressor I only had literally a month before it was stolen. It's a good little light actually, like a fiver. Nothing to do with the bike, so get that out of the way. This is a Rhinowalk tool bag. I've also got the Rhinowalk mostly bags on the front, so I thought I'd go for the Rhinowalk tool bag. I didn't quite read the listing correctly because I thought the tools were included for it as well. So it was only a tenner, so to be fair, to have the tools included for a tenner would have been quite good, but then we are ordering stuff from China, so it's quite possible that, you know, there's the part number if you want to look. Also, yeah, ordering parts from China, it is possible it could come with the tools. Honestly, I don't know what quality there would be. So yeah, so we've got a little bag, little pouch there for bits and pieces. What I will do is I'll put my genuine Himalayan toolkit into here, plus add a socket, 10mm socket and ratchet, etc. And then you've got these straps here, mount it onto your bike. So I'll probably put these on the pannier rack or somewhere on the bike. Maybe put it underneath the seat where the toolkit goes. Should have enough space for this to go here. Yeah, like that goes with the bike. Right, we finally have the last parcel. I have opened it to see what it was because I wasn't sure what this parcel was, because this one was delivered via Royal Mail and all the other parcels came via Hermes. Well, every now. So yeah. So Royal Mail, this is the accessory bar. So I've just opened the packaging. I've not actually opened up this yet. So let's take it out. Okay, so that's shorter than I expected. I was expecting it to be maybe about that long. 2 screws for the end. So it looks like that I supply the screws to bolt it with to the bike then, because I assume that the screen bolts that come with the bike are not going to be long enough. Okay, got a little bit of chip into the powder coating or paint there, that's not too bad. Chips of paint there. Bet it was shipped from China, and that's what I've got. So okay, it's like that powder coating is blocking it up quite a lot. so. And then I can put my TPMS thingamajiggy on there. And like my phone mount possibly. So yeah, sure it'll be alright when it goes on the bike. So there you have it. These are all the bits that I've ordered from AliExpress. Yeah, they don't look too bad. Obviously, next video we will start to fit everything and use everything, and then I can give you my final thoughts on the actual items and whether they're worth it. So yeah, see you in the next one.